The vivo iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus is a powerful smartphone that has recently been launched in China, focusing on high-end performance and a massive battery. Here is a detailed breakdown of its pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion. Disclaimer: as of August 2025, this device has been recently released in China. Information, including availability and pricing, may vary by region. For pros: massive battery. The 8,000 mAh silicon carbon battery is a standout feature, promising exceptional endurance and multi-day usage for most users. This is significantly larger than what's typically found in flagship and mid-range phones. Top-tier performance. The MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus is a flagship-level processor, and when combined with the dedicated iQOO Q2 gaming chip, it ensures a smooth and powerful experience for gaming, multitasking, and demanding applications. Excellent display. The 1.5K AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate offers incredibly smooth visuals, vibrant colors, and high brightness levels, making it great for media consumption and gaming. The 4320 Hz PWM dimming is a huge plus for eye protection. Fast charging. The 90W fast charging allows the large battery to be topped up relatively quickly. Solid build quality. The phone is said to have a sturdy design with an IP65 rating, providing good protection against dust and low-pressure water jets. Modern connectivity. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 ensures the phone is future-proofed for high-speed wireless connectivity. For cons: camera limitations. While the 50MP main sensor with OIS is capable, the camera setup is considered good enough rather than flagship. The lack of a telephoto lens and an 8MP ultra-wide camera may be a drawback for photography enthusiasts. No headphone jack. Like many modern smartphones, it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack. No expandable storage. The absence of a microSD card slot means users must rely on the internal storage options. Limited availability. Initially, the phone is only available in China, with no confirmed global release date. Software bloat. Vivo's Origin OS might come with some pre-installed apps, a common trait in devices from Chinese manufacturers. 4 special features. 8,000 mAh C/C battery. This is arguably the most significant special feature. The high-density silicon carbon battery material allows for a larger capacity in a thinner and lighter form factor. iQOO Q2 gaming chip. This self-developed chip works in tandem with the main processor to enhance gaming performance, improve image quality, reduce latency, and optimize power consumption. 4320 Hz PWM dimming. A crucial feature for users sensitive to screen flickering. This high-frequency dimming significantly reduces eye strain, especially in low-light conditions. IP65 rating. This level of water and dust resistance is a welcome addition, offering a layer of durability not always seen in this price range. Overall conclusion. The vivo iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus is a formidable contender in the performance-focused smartphone segment. Its primary strengths are its industry-leading 8,000 mAh battery, a top-tier processor in the Dimensity 9400 Plus, and a vibrant, smooth display with eye care features. These aspects make it a perfect choice for gamers, power users, and anyone who prioritizes long battery life and raw performance. However, it is not a perfect device. The camera system, while decent for everyday use, may not satisfy serious photographers. The lack of a headphone jack and expandable storage are also potential deal-breakers for some. Overall, if you are looking for a performance-oriented smartphone with unmatched battery endurance and you're willing to compromise on some camera features, the vivo iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus is a highly compelling device. It sets a new benchmark for battery capacity in the mid to high-end smartphone market.